You know what I think? I believe that a lot of these dancehall artists, them secretly bad mind Vybz Kartel. Why? Because them never expect the man for come out of prison, number one, and them never expect the man for reach on the red carpet at the Grammys. You notice how everybody quiet, most of them quiet.
Marley will tell me to suck my mother for show how corrupt and wicked these people are. When I catch the levels, 2017, who win the Grammy? Ziggy Marley. 2018, who win the Grammy? Damian Marley, Junior Gang. Good. Check your levels now. 2023, who win the Grammy? When I do the research, you know. 2024, who win the Grammy? 2025, who win the Grammy?
But the only thing I feel like I would have done differently if I got a chance was some of the people them I met, I would have never meet them. Would have unmeet some of them. I said that you asked me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video on the hot topics are NEAKO fire standing on business that the Marley family sabotaged multiple reggae and dancehall artists over the years. A lady now claims that other artists in dancehall and reggae genre is jealous of Vybz Kartel. Spice defends her school tour and wishes she never met some people on her journey of 25 years. Vybz Kartel and Scatter held a surprise kids treat at his old school Waterford Primary. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. Now last night, after the Grammy results came through that Bob Marley and various artists won the best reggae album, fans were upset and people were giving their 2 cents. Beenie Man even was mocking Vybz Kartel, and people were having their own opinion about why at least Shentia should win, Vybz Kartel should win, somebody else should win. And NEAKO Fire made a post, a video saying, that the Grammys was rigged. Under that post, one of Bob Marley's son, Rohan, said, "Suck your mother," and there was a whole lot of back and forth. So now NEAKO Fire is coming back, standing on business, and pull up receipts and say, from 2017, no matter of fact, even before that, he said that Chronics was in, he had a good reggae album that year, and he was sabotaged. And then he started saying that every year after that, nobody can ever win reggae album of the year. But check this out. This is what he had to say.
Now I do that video for show no something about the Marley them and how them stay. And Marley will tell me to suck my mother for show how corrupt and wicked these people are. When I catch the levels, 2017, who win the Grammy? Ziggy Marley. 2018, who win the Grammy? Damian Marley, Junior Gang. Good album, Stony Hill. But I want to listen me now. Chronics was at its peak at the time when 2017, 2018, when the Marleys them win the album. Chronic was nominated in 2018 for him album. The biggest reggae song that in the album there was one of the biggest album in our reggae music, and then fight against Chronics. When I realized that Chronics not really do no music, after that coming to 2015, now where we there? Because the Marley them sabotage him and discredit him work, and him not make no sense. A man at work for the best at him craft, and people are gatekeep him. That them do Chronics and discourage him, and nobody now work hard and I put in hard work in a music and can't reach the pinnacle where they want to reach. But the Marley them do it and fight Chronics because they want the Marley name step on top like them alone response to music. We now discredit Bob Marley work. He has done a lot for the genre and for the music. But however, what happened to the people after Bob Marley? Bob Marley don't get a lifetime achievement awards already. Check your levels now. 2023, who win the Grammy? When you do the research, 2024, who win the Grammy? 2025, who win the Grammy? 2023, who win the Grammy? Jesse Royal. Who produced the album there? And other people get nominated too. But who win the Grammy? The Marley them produced the album and win the Grammy for Jesse Royal. 2024, who win the Grammy? Wanna comment and tell me. 2025, who win the Grammy? And the Grammy and a Bob Marley win the Grammy is a cover version. It's a cover album. Shensia upon it and other artists upon it. I sing over Bob Marley song. What kind of more recognition Bob Marley want? So I'm to the people when I work in a music, them discourage Chronics. That's why I'm not hearing a song from Chronics. But them now come out, come talk the truth. Me break it down to them. Me never was say at them. Remember say me a Spanish Town native. And Road Marley, remember you a Spanish Town native too. And you go tell me if you suck my mother because me talk the truth. And you go over Mount Massey and other page and tell me if you suck my mother. So you make a public mischief against me and I tell me if you suck my mother because me talk the truth. So I want to go over Road Marley page and say, I'm a matter of fact, I need a public apology. Because I find it very distasteful for you disrespect me that way there. Because I talk the truth. You could have done a little better if you disagree with me. But you could tell me something, my mother. Me love my mother. Me take care of my mother. You're very disrespectful. And these are the Marleys me I tell about. Them dirty style.
I was saying to some of you guys on my earlier videos that since that you think that reggae is not, dancehall is not fit for reggae, which, you know, really and truly it's two different genres. They need to create a different category because it's different types of it's a different type of music. You know, that would have cleared this whole fuss. But seriously, you guys tell me what you think about what he said and the entire situation. Do you think the Marleys are really sabotaging the rest of them? Because if you look back at it, you know, it would have, one would think that to not make it look so bad, they just put some other people on the list and really and truly then just know say them are gonna pick Marley. But Marley is a great, he has put Jamaica on the map. But I just feel like give somebody else a chance one night time. You know, that's all I say. But you guys let me know what you think in the comment section.
Y'all can't appreciate the motley and decent people. Kartel can't stand in their shoes. The name is respected. Respected? Listen to this. Big up to Bob Marley, the great Nesta. But let me explain something to you. Kendrick Lamar win 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Grammy last night. And the song we sing is a diss track to Drake. And that win 5 Grammy. Okay? So, you know, this track is coming like a war song, a class song with Kartel and my father would have sing. And that Kendrick Lamar will now win 5 Grammy. So that goes for sure. And now what you sing, and who you align with. You see me? So me now stop say this. Artists of Jamaica, stop wear some good clothes and go Grammys. Take it and go Dennis wet black and white dance. Our friends trip the runway, boat ride.
You guys remember yesterday when Beenie Man came out and trolled Vybz Kartel after he lost? Somebody in the comments said that Vybz Kartel did the same thing when he was in prison and Beenie lost twice. I don't know. I never saw that video. But if it is true, comment down below and confirm if Vybz Kartel was trolling Beenie back in the day when he lost the Grammy. Also, there's this lady that is saying that some of the artists, they are quiet because they are jealous. Nobody came out and said congratulations. But let me see, Bounty Killer posted and said congratulations on being a nominee. But this is what she had to say. She said the rest of the dance are quiet because they're jealous, because they never think Kartel would have come out of prison, yet alone upon the red carpet. Check this out.
You know what I think? I believe that a lot of these dancehall artists, them secretly bad mind Vybz Kartel. Why? Because them never expect the man for come out of prison, number one, and them never expect the man for reach on the red carpet at the Grammys. You notice how everybody quiet, most of them quiet. Me not hear none of them a come out and I say, you know what, congratulate Vybz Kartel, whatever. You know, said this man, Vybz Kartel, stay at Jamaica in a prison and billing brand overseas. No other dancehall artist was able to do that. Listen, me I follow Vybz Kartel from long time, you know, me I talk about years and years before him even was incarcerated. And you see when him film case start and all of them something back in 2013, I was vlogging it constantly all the way up until he was free from prison. So right now, me see Vybz Kartel on the red carpet, me I smile from ear to ear like a proud parent, just sitting back watching, because I am so proud of him and where he is right now. Like a phoenix from the ashes, he rose, right? And enough of them dancehall artists are just quiet, them not say nothing, because them secretly badmind him and never expect him to reach this far. And that's sad, because the man work hard for which part him there. Yeah, like when I say, him stay all the way to Jamaica and build him brand. No other dancehall artist was able to do that.
I saw this on Yard Vibes. It has been said that Vybz Kartel couldn't nominated or win a Grammy because he was locked away for 13 years. So why Bob Marley still nominating and winning Grammy after locking away for decades now? Locking away, I assume, means dead. You guys tell me your thoughts on that.
What's the biggest mistake you think you've made in your career, if indeed you feel you did make a mistake?
I don't know if I want to say it's a mistake, because losses are lessons, and everything that you go through in life, they teach you something. But the only thing I feel like I would have done differently if I got a chance was some of the people them I met, I would have never meet them. Would have unmeet some of them. I said that you asked me. That is the truth.
But meeting somebody or not.
Some of them never deserve my time. Some of them never need to meet me. Some of them need to see them and walk past them. People are just one of my biggest regrets. It's just the truth.
Wonder who she attack. I wonder if I never dance for them, or ex-boyfriend, with Rasta, or baby father, RT. Who she attack? Because enough people. Lady Star. Only thing she attack, she regrets that she meets in her comment section. So the last topic we're going to speak on is a positive one. Vybz Kartel went and surprised the children at his old primary school, at Waterford Primary School. Him and Scatter came together and did a surprise kids treat. Take a look at this.
Days that me a meditate, so me study for the test, me no procrastinate. Early to school, me no.
Yeah, man. So me say bounce about, look, children them look happy, and so that's nice to know that he, contributed in a small but big way to the children. Big up to Vybz Kartel for that. I always like to see artists giving back to the community. That's it for now, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.